Hey guys, it's Josh with Dorsch, Ford, Lincoln, and Kia, and today I'm sitting in a 2023 F-150, but I just wanted to touch base on a feature that I've been getting a lot of questions about recently. That feature is called the automatic high beams. So located on this vehicle, you'll find that setting in the settings. You'll click on vehicle. Once it populates here, you'll scroll down into lighting. You'll select lighting, and up top, it has that auto high beam function. Currently on this vehicle, it is turned off, but to turn that on, you would hit that little bar and it activates the function or turns on the function. What that function does for you is when you're out in the country or in the city, if it's too dark for you, it'll automatically turn your high beams on. And when you come to a light area, it'll automatically turn those lights off for you as well. That function is located in a different place in the Kia, so I just wanted to show you that real quick as well. So if you swipe the screen and hit setup for me, if you go into vehicle again, what you'll do, you'll scroll down to lighting or lights, and right here you'll notice it says auto high beam as well. Same thing with the Fords. It does turn on the high beams for you. It's a convenient option for you, but some people hate it, so all you got to do is turn it off right there. If you have any questions about this feature or any other features, give me a call, 920-469-6491.